And then let's see what else we have here. All right, so for this section here, this is Nash jumping and yelling. So the way I created this, I'm just going to go one section at a time here. So this first layer, I think most of these are all from the GDC free pack. So yeah, let's look at this one. Again, this one, I just put it in there and I did a little fade out, but that's about it. And it's just gritty sand, dirt sound. So that's what that's there. What is this? A body dirt fall. So it kind of sounds like her feet falling. So that's why I put that there. And if I look at the first, her hands here. So this is her hands falling. What is this? Yeah, so these are just footsteps, sound sample, and I just stuck it in there. So together with that, that's that. And then I wanted a sliding sound, so I wanted rocks or some kind of dirt sliding sound. So that's what this is here. So again, if you look at my inserts here, I actually don't have anything. Like these are just gains just for me to balance my sounds, but I didn't put anything here. They're just there as is for these sounds. So let's just play them together just so you get an idea. So I started off by just lining up the hands and feet. So the hands here when they touch the ground, and then the feet when they land. And then I added the sliding of the dirt, or sorry, if the like rocks or dirt. And then I wanted a bit more. So that's where this gritty sand thing here, that's what that is. And then I added even more down here just to add the tail of the sound. And actually this last sound here, so if I play, it's the exact same sound as this one here. All I did was I copied it and brought it down here. And then I lowered the volume. I probably took a different place in the sample. And then, yeah, that's basically it. I did like that. Probably brought it in and did a fade in and then a fade out like that. And then I kind of stuck it in at the end because I want it to be kind of the continuation of this sound here. So if I take it out, it kind of just ends really abruptly. But with this, it kind of really fades it out. So yeah, so this is kind of a tip or a trick if you're just working with samples that are like if you don't have a lot of samples to choose from or whatever, like you just take the sample you're already working with, copy it, and then if you want to like fade it out, just like reduce the volume, and then choose a different part of the sample, do a fade in, fade out, and then just place it and layer it at the end of the sample you're already using. So I use that here. I think I used it somewhere else too, but anyways, that's kind of a little tip if you guys want to use that. So anyways, I thought that worked pretty well. That's pretty much it. So let's listen to that together. So that's how I created that. Again, just a bunch of layering and playing around until it just moving it around and choosing the right samples to make them sound good. All right, so for her actual voice, this is actually my wife. So if I don't put anything on here, let's listen to that. That's her sound right there, her voice. So then, of course, let's see what I added here. No surprise for Spectre. Just booming. Again, just raising the middle here, 4 dB. Let's listen to that. Good. And then I didn't even do anything with this one, so I'm not sure why that's there. Added some reverb here just to give it space. This is just Valhalla Room. Yeah, just to give it space, like make it sound like it's in a big location. And then just balancing it with the gain here. So all together, let's play all these sounds.